In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the ultimate marketing dashboard in Asana. By the end, you'll have a clear, centralized place to track campaigns, tasks, and progress without jumping between tools. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and heading into your workspace. Click the plus button for a new project and choose Blank Project. Give your project a clear, team-friendly name like Marketing Dashboard, so everyone immediately understands its purpose. Next, pick your layout. List view is great if you prefer a structured, spreadsheet-like approach, while board view is ideal if you like moving work through columns. Either is fine. Go with what your team is most likely to maintain consistently. To organize your dashboard, add sections that mirror your marketing workflow. Common ones include campaigns, content creation, design and assets, approvals, and a completed section to archive finished work. This structure makes it easy to see where each piece of work lives and what's coming up next. Under each section, start adding tasks for your marketing activities or campaigns. Treat each major campaign as a task or break it down by deliverable, whatever aligns with how your team plans and executes. Click into a task to open the task panel. Assign it to the responsible team member so ownership is clear, and set a due date to establish a real deadline. If the work includes multiple moving parts, add subtasks for smaller steps, things like writing copy, designing graphics, or scheduling posts, so nothing slips through the cracks. Next, set up custom fields to track key details at a glance. Helpful fields include status with options like not started, in progress, and completed, priority with high, medium, and low, and campaign type for email, social media, ad, or design. These fields make filtering and reporting straightforward and keep everyone aligned on what matters now. Attach any reference files, creative assets, or campaign briefs directly to the task. You can also add links to documents or design tools so everything lives in one place and collaborators don't have to hunt for context. As your project grows, use Asana's visualization tools to monitor progress. The dashboard view offers quick insights and charts on workload and completion trends. Timeline shows how tasks and deadlines connect over time, which is perfect for spotting overlaps. Calendar gives a simple date-based view to keep your team on schedule. Finally, make it a habit to update tasks and sections regularly. Move work to completed when it's done, keep statuses current, and adjust due dates as plans evolve. Consistency is what turns this project into a reliable, living dashboard. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for